Alright guys, so here's your silicone caulking 1.0 for idiots. Anyways, this is a caulking gun. There's a plunger inside. As you squeeze, you'll notice it slowly goes kind of like push pop. And then there should be a little release. On most of them, there's a little metal thing right here in the back you push, and then you can pull the plunger out. Right here, there should be a hole on pretty much every caulking gun. If you squeeze, you'll notice there's a little blade that comes through there. That blade is to cut the tip. See, that blade is to cut the tip of the tube of silicone. Once you have cut that, I'll show you. Literally, you stick it in the hole. And squeeze. You can kind of see the inside. It'll just cut the tip right off. I recommend you don't go as thick as I just did. Now you have a really, really fat tip, and it's not quite as precise. You cut a much smaller tip like what I had on here before. It's a little more precise. And then you'll take this little pin. I can never get this off. But this little needle right here, it's like a little pin. You pop that out and you're gonna stick it down inside the tip there, because inside here there's a aluminum type film. There's no silicone in here until you squeeze it for the first time. But there's aluminum, or there's a film in there, and you gotta puncture that film before you can start basically plunging the stuff out. And then once you've stuck that down in there, the way this thing goes into the gun is it goes the butt in first until it slides all the way back, and then the tip goes down, and then once you start squeezing it, it will kind of seat itself. It'll seat itself over. And at that point, all you gotta do is squeeze it, and it will come out. So this is what you're gonna do down in those cracks around your, like the crack between the flooring and your bathroom. And then anywhere that the quarter round doesn't fill up, you're gonna do that as well. But something to note is that if you don't, on the back here, if you do not release the pressure after you've squeezed it, it tends to slowly come out. I always recommend push the little button and then release the pressure on it just a little bit. You just pull the plunger out a little. That way it doesn't make a mess wherever you set it down at. And then with the silicone, I was telling Alex, basically wet the tip of your finger and you can like smooth it out. So you just take your finger and don't put a lot of pressure. If you put pressure, your finger will conform to whatever the groove is or the gap, and then you'll push it in and you'll have a contour. You don't want that. You just want to lightly put your finger there and run it across. If your finger is wet, it'll make it smoother and it won't be as messy on you. Wherever this stuff gets on, don't worry too much about it. Once it dries, you can pretty much take your fingernail and just peel it right off. Hence my table. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you take a piece of your flooring in and try to get a silicone color that will match it. As for what type of silicone, this is just really cheap stuff. It's Alex dry. I recommend it's made by DAP as well, I think. It's called Dynaflex 230. And so get Dynaflex 230 in the color of the flooring and just put it in there and you'll be good to go. So, but anyways, this way you guys can replay this and see exactly what it is you need to do without any guessing. But, alright, later.